So guys, if you need money and egg ink, you don't waste your time doing this and waiting. If you don't know, when you leave, you get while you were gone, you earned, and then blah blah blah. So what you want to do, you're gonna go to settings. Well, it's gonna be like this for you. Settings. You want to go down. Date and time. Turn off automatic date and time. And then you want to go set date. It just has to be forward, and then you earn money. While you were away, you earn, and then look, 1,289, 1,289, 289, 1,289, 1,300,000. See guys, it's super easy. Yeah, so what you want to do is see, set date, go down, okay, go back, and there, you earn money. And you can actually do the same thing for Make It Rain. And do the same thing for Make It Rain, but for me, it's lagging out and it's not showing the bucket. So see how much money I have? And then, so, yeah, 42. Then I have this, 4 million, see how much I already bought? 30. Yeah, but it's lagging out. So, I would have 0. What you want to do, go time, and this would be full. Your bucket would be full. So just try it out, but it's lagging out for me, so I can't do it. Okay, hope this video, guys, hope this helped you, and yeah.